Let's go over the key features of your MRCOOL DIY Remote so you can get the most out of your system. First thing, press the power button to turn on or off your system. That's cool. Next, let's cycle through the mode button. Pressing mode will switch between cool, dry, heat, fan, and auto. Auto mode automatically adjusts the operation to cool, fan, or heat depending on your set temperature. In heat or cool mode, set your desired temperature, adjust the fan speed to auto, low, medium, or high, and finally press the power on button to activate it. That's nice. Let's move on. In dry mode, the system functions as a dehumidifier. Set your desired temperature and press the power button. And finally, in fan mode, the system circulates air without adjusting temperature. Choose your fan speed, auto, low, medium, or high, and press the power on button. Next is the set button. Press the set button to enter additional function settings. Keep clicking to cycle to your desired function: sleep, follow me, and AP function. Then press the OK button to activate it. The sleep function reduces energy use while you sleep. Follow me enables the remote control to measure the temperature at the location it currently is. Choose the AP function to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, let's set a timer. Press the timer button to start the on-time sequence. Then use the up arrow to choose how many hours from now you want the unit to turn on. Press timer again to set the off time. This is how many hours from now the unit will turn off, not hours after it turns on. To cancel a timer, set each timer to 0 and click OK. For more advanced features, press the swing button to make the horizontal louver move up and down automatically. Press it again to stop them. Holding the fan button for 2 seconds will turn on or off the silence function. Press the LED button to turn on or off the display on the handler. And if you hold the LED button for more than 5 seconds, the unit will display the actual room temperature, and double-clicking it will revert back to the temperature you set. Pressing the Eco button will kick the unit into energy efficiency mode, automatically adjusting the temperature to 75 degrees and optimizing the fan speed. To lock the remote, press and hold the clean and turbo buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. No other buttons will respond until you press those 2 buttons again for 2 seconds to unlock it. The shortcut button, marked with a star, instantly restores the last used settings, including mode, temperature, fan speed, and sleep mode. Holding the button for 2 seconds saves the current settings as the new shortcut. To keep your unit clean, press the clean button. This feature helps remove moisture that could lead to bacteria growth inside the unit. And finally, pressing the turbo button while in heat or cool mode sets the unit to maximum fan speed for faster heating or cooling. Now that you know your remote, you're ready to take full control of your MRCOOL DIY. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.